Have you ever paused, sat back and wondered about the marvel of how websites are accessible across the world around the clock, without fail on the vast expanse of the internet? Ever pondered how your preferred e-commerce platform really shuts down, never closes its virtual doors and keeps serving customers every minute of the day, every day of the week? Or how the blog that you follow always, without fail, has its freshest content ready for your leisurely reading, no matter what time you choose to indulge? Ever wondered about the seemingly perpetual availability of these online portals? The answer to these intriguing puzzles, dear friends, lies hidden in the fascinating magic of web hosting, an unseen but essential part of the virtual world. Let's illustrate this with an example. Creating a setting in your mind, imagine this. You've just penned down an extraordinary novel. It's riveting, it's enthralling, it engrosses readers from the very first page. You've poured your heart and soul into this work of art, and you believe, with every fiber of your being, that it's destined to be the next bestseller, the next big sensation in the literary world. But here's the catch. Without a physical bookstore to display it, or an online platform to sell it, your masterpiece, no matter how brilliant, remains unseen, untouched, unread. It doesn't reach the audience it deserves. The same principle, the same rule applies to the world websites. A website in reality is nothing but an organized collection of files, be it text, images, videos, or more. These individual files, these building blocks of a website, require a place to reside, a home where they can be safely stored and easily accessed by anyone, anytime, from anywhere across the globe. They need a platform that allows them to be accessible 24/7, making the website they form a part of accessible as well. That platform, that home, is what we know as a web host. When we break it down to the most essential elements, web hosting is a term that refers to the process where the files that make up your website are stored on a server. This server, in its most basic explanation, is a powerful computer that's constantly connected to the internet 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. In the world of internet technology, this server plays an absolutely crucial role, much like a bookstore in our earlier analogy, making your website accessible to anyone wandering in the infinite digital universe of internet browsing. At this point, an intriguing question may pop into your mind. How does that server manage to keep running all the time without a break? It's indeed a valid question, and the answer lies in the meticulous care and maintenance offered by professionals in the field. Servers, the lifeline of your digital presence, are preserved and operated in a carefully controlled environment, often known as data centers. These data centers aren't just any ordinary facilities. They are intricately designed to provide the best possible conditions for the servers to function optimally. They are fortified to ensure the utmost security, protecting the servers from potential breaches or threats that could compromise the data stored within. They are also equipped state-of-the-art cooling systems, regulating the temperature at an optimal level, preventing overheating, which could potentially cause a system failure. Moreover, these facilities ensure that the servers are constantly powered up, with electricity supply systems that are designed to fend off outages and maintain a continuous flow of power. These servers, securely ensconced within these data centers, are always ready and waiting, prepared to serve your website to the world, to the curious internet users who may be looking for what you have to offer. In conclusion, web hosting is much more than just a server connected to the internet. It's a complex system that requires a safe, secure, and controlled environment for these servers to function optimally, and in turn, make your website accessible to anyone browsing the internet. These servers are maintained in special facilities known as data centers, where they are kept secure, cool, and powered up, ready to serve your website to the world. Web hosting can be likened to the unsung hero of the internet world. It's akin to the silent, diligent engine that maintains the smooth functioning of the World Wide Web, ensuring that the abundant reservoir of knowledge, vast array of entertainment, and the plethora of business opportunities the internet bestows are constantly within our reach. You may ask, what is web hosting exactly? At its core, it's a technology-driven process that involves storing a website's myriad files on a server. This process makes these files accessible through the internet, enabling users around the globe to access a website's content effortlessly at their convenience. So why are these servers so crucial? These servers are more than just storage spaces. They play an instrumental role in how we connect and communicate online. They are, in essence, a bridge connecting your website's data to your audience. Every time a user enters your website's URL, they are essentially requesting your server to deliver the necessary data to their device. This process is made possible through web hosting. These servers are kept safe and operational in specialized data centers. These state-of-the-art facilities are designed to house these servers securely, ensuring they are online and ready to go at all times. These data centers are equipped with top-tier security measures and redundant power sources to guarantee zero downtime. In essence, they are the fortresses that safeguard the internet's backbone, ensuring the ceaseless flow of data around the clock. Among the key points to remember about web hosting is that its significance goes beyond mere data storage. It's a pivotal cog in the grand machinery of the internet, ensuring seamless connectivity, facilitating information flow, and breeding opportunities. Without web hosting, our seamless access to the internet, with its boundless information and limitless possibilities, would simply wither away. And third, without web hosting, the internet as we know it, with its endless information and opportunities, would simply not exist. In a world that never sleeps, where information is king and accessibility is paramount, web hosting stands as a crucial pillar. This concept may seem abstract, but its impact is tangible, with the flicker of every screen, the loading of every web page, and the constant hum of servers across the globe. It is a complex series of interactions and connections, a network of invisible lines drawn across the skyline of our digital world. Consider this: every time you access a site, any site, you're connecting to a server somewhere. That server might be on the other side of the planet or just down the street, but the distance is irrelevant. What is the connection, the link between the user and the site, made possible by the silent sentinel we know as web hosting? In the absence of web hosting, our digital experiences would be fragmented, isolated. We would be islands in an ocean of data, adrift and disconnected. Web hosting is the bridge that links these islands, the highway that connects us all regardless of our location. The globalized world we live in today, the world that allows us to reach across time zones, to share ideas and experiences with people we may never meet. This world hinges on the robustness and reliability of web hosting services. It's the silent partner in every digital interaction, the unsung hero that works tirelessly to ensure that we can connect, communicate and collaborate around the clock, the globe. And yet, despite its significance, the role of web hosting often goes unnoticed. We take for granted the ability to access our favorite sites at any time, from anywhere, rarely pausing to consider the mechanisms at work behind the scenes. So the next time you browse your favorite website, in the wee hours of the morning, spare a thought for the magic of web hosting that makes it all possible. After all, it's the silent, tireless workhorse that keeps the digital world spinning around the clock.